In this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss and take profit on DXtrade. So the first thing you want to do here, you want to of course initiate a trade. So I'm going to click on the buy button over here and I'm going to buy via market and I'm going to buy 10 lots, so 0.10 lots. And then if you want to actually set a stop loss and take profit, click on this protection orders and then here you can basically enable the stop loss and the take profit and set it to wherever you want. You could do either price, pips, percentage of balance, or projected loss over here. Of course, it's the same for take profit, except there's the projected profit, and then you can just set it however you want, and whenever you are happy with it, you can just click on send order and you are good to go. However, if you have placed your trade already, you could actually still put on a stop loss or a take profit. So if you go to my account up top and click on positions, it's going to show your open positions. You can right click it and click on modify positions, and then here you can also add the stop loss and take profit and then click on modify and you're good to go. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.